thank to God and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very beneficial for all of you. Why? Because in this class I will tell you how to learn English. If you want to know how to learn English, so this class is only for you. Look at, in this class I will tell you 4 scientifically proven techniques from which you can learn English. What are these? Look at, first of all, listening. If you want to learn English, so first of all you should learn how to listen. Second, speaking. After listening, you should also learn how to speak. And the third one is what? Reading. So reading is also very important technique to improve your English. Next is writing. Fourth one is writing. So I want to tell you all these 4 techniques are compulsory to learn in a proper way. If you learn them in a proper way, so I can guarantee you, you will learn automatically English. Look at, let's talk about listening. So what is the first method? Scientifically proven method, listening. So now you may think, yeah, you must be thinking, whom to listen? Question is this, like listening. Okay, sir, we understood. But now a question is arising in your mind, whom to listen? So you should listen your English teacher. First of all, you should listen your English teacher. If you are a student of school going or college going student or any coaching going student, so if you have any English teacher, so you should listen to him. And I can guarantee you, after listening him, you can also speak. It's a scientifically proven. Let's have an example. When we used to be children, you know, we never went any school to learn Hindi. Did you go to any school for learning Hindi? Because you know, our parents talked in Hindi, so we listened them, then automatically we learned Hindi. Is it or not? You know, similarly, if you listen to your English teacher, so you can also speak automatically in English. It is a scientifically proven method. Next, first of all, whom to listen? Your English teacher. Then audiobooks. If you say me, sir, we don't have any English teacher, so don't worry, you have also another option, audiobooks. I hope you must be having mobile. You all have cell phone. In cell phone you have internet, so with the help of internet you can listen audiobooks. You can go to YouTube or Instagram or any social media, then you can find their audiobooks. So you should listen them. Okay, if you listen, so you can improve your English. Next is English subtitles videos. Through internet you can also watch videos, English subtitles videos, from which you can learn English. So this method is scientifically proven to learn English. So follow this. Not only listen but also follow all these skills. Now let's move on. Second skill, speaking. You know, as we know, the more you speak, the more you learn. It is said. Look at, now speaking. So you must be thinking whom to speak. You must be thinking that I am saying you second element is speaking. First element you must have understood, listening. Now second is speaking. So whom to speak? So look at, with your English teacher, you should try to speak in English and you should try to communicate in English with your English teacher. So it's 100% proven. You will also speak, or you can speak with your friends. If you have any friend who can speak in English, yeah, who has good command over English, so you can also talk to him for improving for improving your own communication. If you don't have anything, so don't worry, speak yourself. As we know, self-help is the best help. If you want to learn English, so you should have willpower. You know what is compulsory thing? Your willpower. So speak yourself if you don't have anybody. So it is also scientifically proven method to improve your English. Okay. Next we are moving on reading. So it is also compulsory element to learn English. What? Reading. Because in this era, in this generation, mostly student or mostly people don't like to read due to mobile, but we should also read. What now? What to read? Listen, your syllabus book. You are a student of, whether you are a student of school or college, so everybody has a syllabus book of English, so you should read your syllabus English book. It can also improve your English communication. Okay. Next is English story books. If you are not studying in any college or in any school, so you should have some books from which you can learn English, and you should read them regularly. Okay. Next is English newspaper. So you know it is also a medium. English newspaper is also a medium to learn English. If you don't have hard copy of newspaper, so you have your mobile, so you can have soft copy, like you can download any English newspaper in your mobile and you can read it out. Very simple thing. Okay. You don't need to purchase any newspaper. It is available in your cell phone. Next technique, writing. It means for learning English, it is also compulsory. Like I have written all these things in a sequence, and you should not break this sequence. You should not break this sequence. First of all, you should listen, then speak, then read, then writing. In this section, present generation is very weak. You know, because present generation is not habitual of writing, so they are suffering from this problem. So what to write? So listen, any topic. You should try to write any topic in English if you want to learn English. Second is paragraph. You can also write down any paragraph. Next one is notice, essay, question answer, and application letters. Whatever you know, you should write down. At least you should write down one page in a day. Then only you can improve your English communication. And while writing, focus on punctuation marks, because in this generation, mostly student, I have also observed, mostly student don't focus on punctuation mark. You know punctuation mark, comma, full stop, question mark, colon, semicolon, and exclamatory mark. Okay, and inverted comma. All these things are called punctuation mark. So student have forgotten to use them. Okay, so what skills I explain you today, if you follow them practically, you are watching my video and you are thinking that you will learn English. So it is a misconception. You will have to use them practically and constantly. If you think you use them one day, then second day you don't use, so it's quite impossible to learn English. Because it is said, success doesn't come what we do occasionally. Success doesn't come what we do occasionally, but it comes what we do constantly. Yeah, what we do continuously. So it is a continuous process. I hope student you will follow all this technique. Okay, so that's it for today. One more thing, if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. So that's it for today. Jai Hind.